Welcome to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for the latest in electric vehicles, sustainable tech, and automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting updates in the EV world, the 2025 Tesla Model Y. The Model Y has always been a standout in Tesla's lineup, but for 2025, Tesla has taken this electric crossover to a whole new level. Whether you're an EV enthusiast, a potential buyer, or just curious about Tesla's latest offering, you're in for a treat. Design evolution. The 2025 Tesla Model Y brings a sleek, refreshed look that blends form and function, while it retains its signature aerodynamic shape. Subtle updates like redesigned headlights and a reimagined grille-less front end give it a more modern, refined appearance. New wheel designs and additional color options, including a striking midnight sapphire, provide even more customization for drivers. Inside, Tesla has made significant strides in creating a minimalist yet luxurious cabin. The interior features premium sustainable materials, the panoramic glass roof, and a new ambient lighting system that allows you to customize the cabin's mood. Plus, the updated 15-inch central touchscreen now boasts faster response times and an even more intuitive user interface. Performance redefined. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the 2025 Model Y delivers exceptional performance. Tesla has equipped it with updated electric motors and an advanced battery system that pushes efficiency to new heights. The long-range model now offers an impressive EPA-estimated range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, while the performance variant boasts an exhilarating 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.5 seconds. Tesla's updated dual-motor system ensures all-wheel drive capability with seamless power delivery, making the Model Y a joy to drive in any condition. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling challenging terrain, the Model Y has you covered. Enhanced autopilot and full self-driving. Tesla's autopilot system has always been a key selling point, and for 2025, it's better than ever. The Model Y now features Tesla's next-gen hardware, offering improved sensor accuracy and processing power. This means smoother lane changes, better autonomous navigation. For those opting for the full self-driving package, Tesla has introduced features like autonomous parking, traffic light recognition, and even the ability for the car to pick you up from a parking lot. While regulations still require driver supervision, the technology showcases Tesla's commitment to leading the self-driving revolution. Charging made convenient. Tesla has also made strides in charging infrastructure and battery technology. The 2025 Model Y supports ultra-fast charging, allowing drivers to gain up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes at Tesla's V4 superchargers. Additionally, the vehicle now comes equipped with bidirectional charging capabilities, meaning you can use your Model Y to power your home during outages or share energy with other EVs. Sustainability and affordability. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy is evident in the 2025 Model Y. The vehicle is built with a focus on eco-friendly manufacturing practices and utilizes materials that are easier to recycle. What's more impressive is Tesla's effort to make EVs accessible. The starting price for the 2025 Model Y is competitive, and with government incentives and lower maintenance costs, owning this EV has never been more practical. Included. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is a testament to Tesla's relentless innovation and dedication to creating vehicles that are as efficient as they are exciting. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement about where the future of mobility is headed. Thank you for tuning into Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the car shaping tomorrow. Let us know in the comments what excites you the most about the 2025 Model Y. See you in the next video.